Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make prawn head soup. First, ensure you have about 1 pound of fresh prawn heads and shells, which are essential for a rich flavor. Rinse them well under cold water to remove any debris. Next, prepare your aromatics. Finely mince 2 cloves of garlic, chop 1 small onion, and slice a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. These ingredients will form the aromatic base for your delicious soup. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your minced garlic, chopped onion, and sliced ginger, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, add the prawn heads and shells, cooking them for approximately 5 minutes until they turn a vibrant orange. Finally, deglaze the pot with 1/2 cup of dry white wine or chicken stock, scraping up any brown bits. After sautéing, it's time to extract all that amazing essence. Pour in 4 cups of water or unsalted chicken broth, ensuring the heads are mostly submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. During this time, use a spoon or masher to press the prawn heads against the side of the pot, releasing even more delicious flavor. Finally, carefully strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl, discarding the solids. We're almost there. Return your beautifully strained broth to the pot and bring it back to a gentle simmer. Now, it's time to season this liquid gold. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, or to your personal preference. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings as needed to achieve a perfectly balanced flavor. Serve your hot prawn head soup immediately, perhaps garnished with some fresh chopped cilantro or green onions for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.